is going to be the second part, so the part we didn't get to, and this will be replying to Twitter followers to maybe like improve our engagement. And there's a bunch of fun things you can do with the social media apps on here. But we'll just walk through a simple Twitter tweet back at somebody who just followed us. So once again, I'm going to go and I'm going to make a Zap here. And the first step is always to select a trigger app. So Twitter will be our trigger app in this case. And there's all kinds of fields that you can pick on this one that you can pull from the Twitter API. So these are the triggers. So every time there's a search mention or every time you tweet something or you have a liked tweet, you can do some other action. So what we're going to do for this is when somebody follows me, so when I get a new follower, I'm going to just tweet back at them and tell them, hey, thank you for following me. So we're going to do a new follower at me. Pretty similar workflow to the last one. If I didn't have an account connected, I could connect a new account. It would open up and it will make its call to Twitter. And it'll ask if you want to allow this, and I can say yes. And then I can authorize this, and it'll take me back. So I've added another account. So these are actually all the same account for me, as I've done this a few times, but let's just go ahead and we can test this. Okay, so that's a success. Great, our connection worked. So I'll save and continue. So test your triggered tweet by fetching an existing follower. All right, make sure that you have at least one recent follower created. So we can try to do this. And we do. So I can view one of my recent followers. And it gives me all kinds of information about that follower, which is crazy. Someone from London, England. And you can see the Twitter API is pretty robust. So you get a lot of information that you can do something with, right? So wow, yep, that is pretty full. So there's a lot of things. A lot of this you probably won't find useful, but some of it you can use it to do some pretty nice dynamic things. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. And now I'm on my second step. So this is actually a little more interesting. I'm actually going to be making an API request and actually posting to the same API. So this app will connect Twitter back to Twitter. So what I want to do here is I want to create a tweet this time. So that's what I'm going to do. And I can select the Twitter account I want to do that with. So it's going to be the same account that I just connected, and I can test that, and that worked. Okay, and then I can add the message in there. So first thing I'm going to do is let's load the fields that I got back. So I can choose the follower's screen name, follower's URL, whatever thing you want to do with it. What I'm actually going to do here is take their screen name, and on Twitter, what you do is you add the @ symbol to their screen name, and that actually tweets back at them. So I just added the @ symbol in front of their follower screen name, and I'm actually just going to then write a message to them, say, thanks for the follow, and it'll be at their username. I'll add some exclamation points or something. Great. And if you want shortened links or whatever, you can do that as well. And then I will press continue. So that's what it should look like. Thanks for the follow, feel free. And then I can create my Zap. So it's going to test. The test will be successful. I actually will have just tweeted at them. So if this isn't something, I would have a friend follow you or something like that, or test with some dummy account or something like that if you want. So you're not just randomly tweeting mistakes at somebody. But yeah, that's the basis of it. And then I can finish. I can name it. So this can be tweet back at new follower. I'll just put it in my home folder, and I'll go ahead and turn that on. and it's live. So it's working. So here it is on my dashboard. And something I can do if I want to run it right away or make any edits, you can see in your dashboard, this run will run the Zap right away. So it'll go look for any new followers and execute that. And I can also organize these things into folders. There's all kinds of stuff you can do here. All right, guys, thanks.